Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Soyla and we are going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing for the month of January. If you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly subscription box, which I'm pretty sure most of you guys know what it is, but I'll just say it again. So it's $20 a month and you get 4 to 5 full-size products. So I will leave it down below in the description box in case anybody wants to sign up. But this month was called Boxy and Chill, and we got 5 items this month. So let's just start off with my variation item I got, which was the Brioche, I don't know if I'm saying that right, the leave-in conditioner. So this retailed for, I want to say $18. No, it's $12 that retails for, and this is 2 fluid ounces. So I mean, I'm not disappointed in that, but I mean, we've tried plenty of their products, so I don't know. It was alright. So the next item is this Billionaire Brows Pencil. So I am very disappointed in this item because it does not match my brows. Okay, it says universal, but like, come on. Look at this color. It's brown. I tried to use it and it just looked very bad because my hairs, like my real hairs on my brows, they're like black, so it stood out and just did not blend. But it has a spoolie at the end. I'll probably just give this to somebody, but this retailed for $18, so yeah. And then the next item I'm pretty excited to try is these Tatcha, am I saying that right? I never used her products before, but they're expensive, so I'm not complaining. Tatcha, they're face masks. So what I'm going to actually try to do is cut the edge and like drain these out into like a travel size little spray bottle, because I saw this on Facebook actually. So yeah, I'm just gonna try that out. I'll let you know how it goes. But yeah, those retail for $24. You can pick those up at Sephora. So they gave us 2, which was nice. And the next item was my lipstick, which is the Ofra. This was my first time trying her liquid lipsticks, and I love liquid lipsticks, so I was pretty excited. But the color I originally got was called Havana, and it was like a berry color, and I have so many berry, like dark red berry colors from Boxycharm, so I was like, you know what, I'm sick of getting these colors, so I tried this girl hers, because we have like this Boxycharm Fort Bragg Boxycharm trading thing, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, that retails for $20. I've only tried Ofra's highlighters and bronzers, so her products are really nice. I think you can buy them at Ulta, or at least the one over here sells them in North Carolina. So and the next item is this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. This is the volume 3 palette. So okay, I was confused about this palette because there's not no they're all shimmers, so I couldn't really create a look with this. I did use it for my inner corner highlight and my brow bone and my highlight, so I'll probably just be using this for highlighting. But yeah, can you guys see these colors? Yeah, they're all shimmers. So, and this retails for $36. So overall, the quality of the box was good, but like some of the products I was disappointed in. But oh well, it's $20, so it's not really that big of a deal. Like, I'll probably just give them away. So, but yeah, that concludes this video. Be sure to subscribe if you're new to my channel, and we will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.